today we discussed about, we keep raising this point about trucks parking on the shoulders of the road, you know, especially if you're going to Kumpoli. Today we have just come from Ponda, so I mentioned the point there again. I've seen many trucks parked on the shoulder of the roads. So, DYSP has given instructions, remove the lorries from the road. I'm also raising a larger issue. Where will these drivers go? They are parking there because they have nowhere to park. But we cannot say it's not our issue. No, it is our issue. So we have said from this committee to write to the state committee and say, please take up this issue about the truck terminus. We need truck terminus. We need one here in Salsette. We need one in Ponda. Maybe we need one in Kanpon. I don't know much about Kanpon, but we need truck terminuses where these guys, and we give them amenities of cooking, of sleeping, of resting, toilets, which is the most important thing. Because if you look in Kunkoli, they are cooking under the truck. They are going to the toilet in the open, you know. So I kind of mentioned, do you want me to take pictures of their bums and bring you, and only will then you kind of like take my point seriously?
Madam, there is a land acquired right opposite the collectorate.
Here.
Near that wholesale fish market for truck terminal.
Okay.
But that has been objected.
Okay. So what, see, we as a committee here cannot take up that issue as, pursue that, but
what I'm suggesting that it should not be within the city. It should be on the
outside.
outskirts.
Correct. From what I understood, because this point is going on in our meeting, it was in our minutes. It got removed because they said we can't do anything. So then we discussed that, okay, we remove it from here, but at least it needs to go somewhere and somebody needs to take it seriously. From what I understood, there was an area near the railway station in Akempash. I think those farmers are still cultivating those fields, and I think those fields were acquired. What is the status of that? I am not aware of, but it was said that we are acquiring that land for truck terminus, but it's not happening, you know.
What were the other points?
Other points that we raised was, you know, the Arle-Nuvem bypass road also is in darkness. Accidents, in the recent past there are so many accidents that are happening. PWD has said that we have put sent a report and it's waiting for financial approval. So that was one point that they raised. Hoardings, yeah. We said about the hoardings that are coming up on the sides of the roads, and we've said also, I'm making an appeal now through you on this, through this medium, that politicians are putting up hoardings and boards on electricity poles, on the side of the roads, but which are protruding onto the road. So I'm saying, please refrain from doing that. You put your boards, but put it in such a way that it does not obstruct anyone and does not obstruct the vision when people are using the side roads, you know. So I'm making an appeal, please refrain from putting your boards on electricity poles and everywhere. And the other hoardings and things which people are putting without taking permissions from the local body, even though they have resolutions in place and things that people need to take permissions, they are not being dealt with. Now the stray cattle is another big issue that I have been taking up in this meeting for years now, and it just goes. Collector writes to animal husbandry writes to somebody else, they write, it comes back to the collector, and it just goes round and round and round. And now it's happening again. You know, saying the animal husbandry gave a statement 4 meetings ago that we have signed MOUs with all the local bodies. Now I said table the MOUs in this meeting, and we will have a look at the MOUs and see what it says. The next meeting we come to know that they don't know what MOUs are signed. So, and what is happening? Now in the last 4 meetings, 3 representatives have come. So each one doesn't know what the other has said, and we are the ones kind of questioning it over and over. Now the doctor from Daboli has come here today, and she is saying Marmagaon is the municipality that has signed, but Margam, in that MOU they have written that they will only collect 250 cows from the road in a month, and they have crossed that 250, so they won't do anything. So when questioned, how did you come to that 250 figure? She says they did a survey and they found only 250 cattle on the road. So now we ask, can they help with like the Chikali area or the Sankwal area? And they said, no, they are only going to do it for the Daboli area, and we have to check with the Chikali Panchayat and the Sankwal Panchayat whether they have signed an MOU. So directions were given to BDO head office who was here, Clarence Gimello. So he's going to write to those or to the BDO of Mormugao and find out. But we want that information for the whole of South Goa. So we are not really, they are telling us that we have to go to the panchayats and we have to go to the municipal council and get that information. But I am insisting that we are here in a meeting, table it at this meeting and then we will check it. We are not going to visit each panchayat or each municipality. So that was one of the issues.
मॅडम रस्त्यार खड्डे पडटा ते तुमी कित्याक PWDक सजेस्ट करना?
So PWDक आमी ऑलरेडी 2-3 पॉयंट्स तेजे येयल्ले. एक ते सुरेज ते फोंडून उडयता and then they say no, we have done last meeting त्यांनी फोटो हाडून दाखयल्ले on the when I looked at the photo I was really shocked and I said, is this the kind of roads that we are expecting? I said what they are saying is that they have given an undertaking that they will dig and they will repair the road as per what it was before. But it's not being done that way. So we are asking, now we want each engineer's name, who is responsible to check, to supervise. Because if that engineer is not, then we have to take action against that engineer who is supervising that work. Yeah. So today they have brought and given another set of pictures where they have actually done the work. Then they started saying, no, we didn't do the whole work, but we just sent photographs. But today now they're saying, I haven't seen the pictures, but they will be sent to everyone.
वसत ते सगळे बायपासचे रोड आसा, सगळ्याक रस्ते पाड पडलेले आसा.
आमी कितें म्हटलां ते बेले आतां न्यू बायपास जाला. तो रस्तो जर पयले तुवें ऑलरेडी होणके पडले. आनी एक वर्स पूण जावंक ना ते स्टार्ट जाल्यार न्हू. ती सिग्नलां चलना, ती सिग्नल रेड दाखयता, ग्रीन दाखयता, ऑरेंज दाखयता. कोणाक वचपाचें तें कोणाच खबर ना. So we have mentioned about that also, and we have taken up the issue of at signal lights you can turn left even if the lights are showing red. But what is happening is instead of two traffic going straight and this road being kept for left clear, people are parked, 5 cars are parked there and you cannot go, including buses actually. So you can't take a left. So we have told them to check those areas as well. PI Fatorda was here, traffic cell. He kind of mentioned that okay, in some areas there is space to put stones and mark a clear area to go left, but in some places you cannot do that. So people have to understand. Another issue is that there are many signal lights which are not functioning, like in near Raji, Honda Raji, there those signal lights are not working. Gogol, the Chogle circle there, that one, those lights are not working, so they're going to have a look at that. So these are some of the issues. Also the issue came up of today's papers, they're saying they put an ad that Mormugao Taluka, that new, they're building that elevated corridor, whatever they call it, the flyover. The traffic is going to go, take a diversion there. And we had told them that they have to finish all the service.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.